This 2025 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2530RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, oven, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, DVD player, spare tire kit, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Bullet Crossfire East 2530RD is 5,670 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.